Oh man. Yo, who's out here? Sorry for the late start. Sorry for the late start, chat. Thanks, chat. Oh, fuck. This shit is crazy. What is gold trying to hit? 5,400? Yo, who's out here? Day Trader Cut. Eddie, yo, Coach Eddie, what up? Jay Stores. Greg, Benny, Scalpster, Konija, Hot Shot, Baseballing with Ease, Robert Gallus, Timothy Chapo, Slick Rick the Ruler, Cyberpie, Kenny, Horace, Coach HID, Bacon, Canute. I mean, what do you want me to do, bro? I can't trade. I tried trading the NQ one time today, and I blew the account. Trading, playing Pastor Smash. I hate the NQ. And gold is at literally all-time highs, and every fucking candle on gold, every 1 minute candle on gold is like 60 ticks at least. Bacon, Carbonite, Stephen Cox, Scalpster, Wiz. Just buy the dip. I gotta do some shit here. I wanted to buy a bunch of accounts. I wanted to do that before I hopped on, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Because I want to show you what I got going on here. A whole lot of fucking up is what happened. 9 to 5, what up? Gilbert. Yeah, I heard about that. I guess it depends on when it happened and if you were affected. You know? Canute, I trade in Power Hour. I don't care. I'll trade accounts that matter. Doesn't matter to me. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. But that's any other time that you're trading. But today you got some extra special shenanigans going on because of FOMC. I don't even know what the decision was. I don't even care. They lower rates or something, no lowered rates. What do they do? Who gives a fuck? All I know is Jerome was lying through his teeth when he started talking. Anything he says is bullshit. We already know that, right? Please tell me you don't believe anything he says, guys. Or any of them, for that matter. All right, let's start with Lucid. Hey, let me show you what I did to this account. Watch this. Day 4. Watch this. So I took a trade yesterday, right before I was about to go to the gym. I literally said in the post, give me that fucking money, son. Day 4 locked. And then what happens? The usual shit that always happens to me, where it just keeps going in my favor. It kept going. I took a short. I got out for $315. So I got 32 ticks. It went down another 130, and I got fucking pissed. I don't know why I got more annoyed this time than any other fucking time, but I did. So I tried to get a little bit more. I don't know what I did, but I got fucking bottom ticked, I think. And then I went against it, and then before I know it, I was fucking tilting at that point, and I blew the accounts. On day fucking 4. On day 4. All I had to do, I was done. I didn't even have to touch it. So I won't be getting any more payouts from these two accounts unless magically I get my the accounts back because of the Trade Evade outage. But this happened yesterday, so I'm not expecting to get them back, and I don't fucking care if I get them back. I'd rather start from scratch. What I wanted to do was buy 5 fucking evals, 5 flex evals, and get 5 accounts maxed out. That's my goal with Lucid. That's what I'm going to be working on for February. Having 5 funded flex Lucid accounts and getting them to payouts, every 5 days. And then right after that happened, I was so fucking pissed. I was like, hey, let me go full port. Let me go full port in my 25K take profit trader account that I don't have anymore because it's gone now. And of course, it went against me. Of course, it couldn't go in my favor because I was fucking pissed. After that, I kind of settled down, and then I moved on with my life. And what did I do? I locked in. Well, hold on a sec. I locked in day 8 on this account. Day 8 is locked in on this account, so I will be requesting today $1,109. So add that to my 40K month if I get approved before the end of the month. This I just did. Notice the drawdown on this one's a lot less than these 3 because the fucking trade copier if you trade with well charts, make sure because gold rolled over. If you're trading GCG6, get out of it. You want to be trading GCJ6. GCJ6 is the new gold contract. Okay, guys? Tori's trade stop loss. Corey, what up? Yo, Horace, yeah, it was the dumbest fucking thing ever. It was so fucking weak. Such a weak-minded fucking mistake I made. Just ain't right. Mwah. V33. Chuck Boris Norris. You could always ask them to give you a credit or something. I would hit them up. You probably didn't use the best code 0DayJ. Is that why? Apex is 90% off, by the way. Felix the Cat, what's up? Alfred, too old to trade. Coach Fred, JC, Marcine. So I thought I was trading the group. The problem with well charts, it's not a problem. You just got to remember, I had the group set up to trade GCG6. So I went and traded GCJ6, not realizing that it wouldn't carry over and forgetting to that I have to change it. And I got $400 in this account. I'm like, motherfucker, why didn't it trade all of the accounts? And it took me about an hour to realize what the fuck was going on. Because then I went in, then I took another trade with what I thought was the entire group. And I gave back all those gains. And I was like, what the fuck? And then I realized that I had to change the contract. And then I traded and I was down like $400 before when I finally had them all together. And I got it all back. And now I'm up 272. I'm calling it a day with those. This one I haven't touched yet. I don't even know if I traded this one yesterday. But this one I'm requesting a fucking payout today. Today. So that's that. And then, I blew my trade day evals. I blew those before. And then, of course, I got top ticked. And then, of course, it fucking dumps. So I don't have trade day evals again. I fucking suck. My goal for February is to have 3 funded trade day accounts and 5 funded Lucid accounts. And maybe 5 funded take profit trader accounts. I don't have anything with take profit trader right now, which annoys me. And then I got to figure out the whole, I know what I got to do with Rhythmic and Bullinox, but I want to get that going too. So here's Apex. Here's the rest of Apex. Because Apex is 90% off, I figured, why don't I try to get Why not try to pass 6 more evals and get back to 20 funded accounts? So I blew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I passed 3. And then this account, I canceled an order that would have given me $400 or $500 on these 6 that I just got paid on. And then I got back in the same spot, and I got stopped out for a $400 loss. Then I got it all back, and now I'm up $12.92. I might just call it a day with that, and maybe just treat it like a flip day. Treat it like a flip day. Oh, and this one, 538, this is on day 7. Not only is it on day 7, but I am now in max payout land. This is the account I was previously denied on for inadvertently violating the scaling rule because Tradeovate fucked up my group and unchecked it. So we're good now. I just need to flip tomorrow, really. I don't need to do anything stupid. All I need to do is just, not lose $53. Right? So I'm requesting a payout today. I'm requesting a payout tomorrow. I could have been possibly requesting payouts with Lucid, but I fucked that up because I'm a fucking asshole. But whatever. It is what it is. Now, I want to trade 559, but we're like way the fuck up here. Look at this. $5,376 per ounce. What's the spot at? Spot's a little behind. 53.42 it hit. Imagine going to buy an ounce of gold and they'd be like, that'll be $5,600, sir. Silver's trying to fucking make new all-time highs. It just missed retouching the previous all-time high of like 118 or 117 or whatever it was. Fucking crazy. It's crazy, Chad, I tell you. Crazy. Now I got to trade 560. I just don't know if I should trade it here. Like, at all-time highs? That's fucking stupid. Did I get everybody? Bacon, what up? I hope I said hi to everybody. Slick Rick the Ruler, Cyber Pie. I think I got everybody. Miss Goody, Tick Daddy, Roberto Baca. No, they will charge you. They will charge you $98 a month if you do not pass that account. If you do not pass any new evals that are 90% off, cancel the subscription. Just ain't right. Mwah. Ian Connor, Drewski. Yo, Chris B. What's the PA fee? They raised them a little bit, the lifetime PA fees. Here's the promotion. Here's the current promotion. So on the 50K, the 25, 50s, and 100s, instead of it being 65, it's now 75. On the 150Ks, 250Ks, and 300Ks, it's 135. 90% off, $19.70 for 50Ks, $39.70 for 150, 250s, and 300s with the best code 0DayJ. It is the best fucking code. Now we just sit here. What's NQ doing? What's this piece of shit NQ doing? Damn, NQ's going. Well, I got to fucking draw a happy little Fibonacci here. I'm so fucking pissed off about the Lucid accounts. Is this the correct the VWAP? Is it even the right spot? Yeah, it looks like it. We're at the VWAP, and like the issue with like the fibs and you got all these different highs is like it could be any of these highs. Any of them. I could make it suit my bias, but I'm not gonna trade it. Oh, no problem, Crit. Thank you, bro. Tory trades eyebrows. Trade if he's doing a weird Power Hour Kids show. Vincenzo, what up? It's a happy tree. Tyler. Sorry, bro. Yo, Cube. Yo. Yeah, it's fucking brick out here, son. Pimp Daddy, what's up, motherfucker? Drewski. Yeah, bro. Let that shit stay there. No. Scalpster, 4,100. because you can request down to 2,100. So when you get to 2,600, 2,600 is the buffer or the safety net. 2,600 means you're eligible for at least 500. When you request down to, from 2,600, you request 500, you go down to 2,100. So I just do the math from there. 2,000 plus 2,100 is 4,100. Tyler. Oh, you're still hanging out with you and Kyle are still hanging out, huh? Must have been a night to remember. If you're going back for more, you know it was a night to remember. Yeah, no problem, Scalpster. The VWAP is holding for now. This is my breakfast, by the way. Sorry, guys. Sound familiar, Tyler? The reverse handspring. What the fuck is gold doing right now? Oh my God, where is it? It just keeps going higher. Oh, this is the wrong contract. Let me get that shit the fuck off my chart. GCJ6. I got to change the micros too. Are we going for 5,400 today for the stream? GCJ, MGCJ. There it is. We going to 5,400, chat? Look at this shit go. Crankberry. Yeah. Raider. I know, bro. I don't make. Hey, those are Cube made the 40K J, the 40K pendant. Cube made all that shit, and Doom made some other ones. I don't make any of my own thumbnails, except for like my update videos. But all the live stream thumbnails now that I use, other people made them. Newts made a bunch for me a while ago. Cube just made a bunch. Doom made a bunch. Gold didn't roll over, maybe Bowser, but most of the volume is in J. Most of the volume's in a new contract. You know how you can tell? I just noticed like the candles are just look at the way the candles are the candles are shitty. And the spread is look at the spread. That's 6-6. Yo, last night I saw spreads of like 18 ticks on and 30 ticks on well charts. I don't know. I've been trading G's. I've been trading J. The spreads are about the same now, but the candles just look smoother. Tyson. What prop firm? Yo, Crank, fucking NQ is garbage, bro. What'd you say? What, Fred? Since I said go to gold? Or what do you mean? I'll take profit trader? Yo, just get this contract right here. Tyson, grab ZB, type in ZB, ZBH6, and it's fucking $35. It doesn't move. It's $35 per round trip. So if you got to lose $1,500, 35, you could trade. It's a 50K. I'm assuming it's a 50K. 35 times 6, 210. You got to lose $1,500. Go full port, 7 round trips. Enter and exit 7 times. That'll get you rid of $1,500 just about, if you include fees and shit. Okay, guys. Eric J. Raphael, what up? Donna. Yeah, Dan Emmons, man. Dan Emmons put us onto that a while ago. There's another one, too. I forgot which one it was. I think it's another bond one. It's like $15 a contract. I forgot which one it was. Miss Goody told us about it. Oh, since you switched contracts? What contracts are expired? Oh, ZN, yeah. Oh, Fred, that's what it is? ZN is like $15, right? I got to add that because I got to remember that because sometimes I only need to lose 15. Well, this one kind of moves, though. Look at that. This one actually moves. Got to be careful with this shit. Anyway, let's see what the fuck's going on here. Gold has no chill. Look at that. Almost hit 5,400. You see, like I don't know if Bowser's still here, but you see how the candles are the where they're starting. Like this candle ended here, and then it started down here. The candle ended at 552 or whatever, and it started down at 531. That tells me that the volume is fucking dwindling away on GCG6. And it was doing that all night last night. Benjamin, what up? I mean, you know what Tyson, if you leave it the way it is, well, the max contract size on a 50K take profit trader is 6. But if you leave it, you have to grow the account to 6,000. What's worse? Having to grow it another 1,500 or having to grow it another 3,000? It won't affect your drawdown because your end of day drawdown on evals. PJ. Nice. I mean, that's still a good move. That's still a good trade. 20 points on gold. That's 200 ticks. Look at the range on gold today, according to the new contract. 51.93, 52, 200 points, 2,000 plus ticks. 2,000 fucking ticks. This shit is fucking banana land. It's fucking crazy. It's pandemonium. It's pandemonium, chat. I don't know what to do. I can't trade this shit. I can't trade this. I need it to pull back. I need this. I need a pullback, and then I don't care if it goes up and goes higher. I just need it to pull back. I'm not trading this shit the way it is. Good thing I locked in another payout. Oh my God. I'm just going to make it harder on myself to beat this month. You know? I mean, this is going to put – I did the math. I did the math wrong. I'm at like 41 – hold on. I did the math yesterday after the close. Yeah, this is what I'm at. 41,556 this month. And I'm about to request $1,100 plus 1,109, right? Is that what I'm getting? $1,109, and I'm going to request $2,000 tomorrow. That'll put me just under 45 grand. And it could have been more if I fucking didn't fuck up those Lucid accounts. Fuck. Whatever. Shout out to the haters. Thank you for the motivation. I need more of you. Please come back. Please come back to the streams. Please come back and talk shit. I need you guys to push me to the next level. You know, the haters. What are we doing here? It just hit 50. Oh my God. What the fuck? I trade. What the fuck? Micah. Micah, bro, I'm probably gonna I'm gonna grow them. I could have had like 400 today, but whatever. I'm gonna see if I could get a max payout. Jack, boom. Gold is the shit. NQ bouncing off the 618. Well, good luck. Fuck the NQ. Fuck the NQ. I gotta get more fucking evals. Fuck me. Look. It depends on what low you're treating it from. If you go by this low, it's the 707. And you got some confluence with the low of the VWAP band. That should just bounce 25 fucking points. But if you go by this low, it is the 618. So either way, scalps are only way is FOMO. I'm a focused degenerate. If you guys got put into the focused trader program by Top Step, you know, the people who love to not show you their balances, even though they're the experts. You could always join the Focus Degenerate program where you could get as many fucking accounts as you want. It's free for now. Here's the link. To get into the Focus Degenerate program, here's the link. You know, all you got to do is have a Discord account, and it's free. GMAT, thank you, sir. Thank you. Premature shorters. Yo, some of these guys, Coach Fred, some of these guys are suffering from premature shortulation. Oh, my God. Remember, one thing, I was talking about it yesterday. One thing I noticed about gold is people like to think that there's going to be some sort of resistance or support at key psychological levels, like even numbers, like the hundreds. Gold doesn't give a fuck about 5,400. Gold hit 5,400 right here, and it's still going. Just like when it hit 5,300, it did the same fucking thing. It doesn't care. Holy shit! Now it's 10. So imagine don't ever put your fucking order to go short on gold or long on gold maybe on a bounce, but on a long, I would never recommend just putting your order blindly at an even number like 5,400, 5,500, whatever, because it goes through it. Perfect example is right now. I could take out 2,000 with 2,600. Oh, it's like I could do that now, Micah. I was not aware of that. The thing about that though, Micah, if I do that, I'm just gonna grow the accounts. If I do that, if I go to 2,600 and I take out 2,000, then I'm gonna be left with $600 of drawdown, or really $500 of drawdown. Do I really want to be left with that on those accounts? Isaac, what up? JK, Nick, what up? Yeah, it's fucking crazy. You're long on gold tick from where? Unfocused Degenerate program. We got one of those too. You know what I'm saying though, Micah? I'm just gonna grow them anyway. Hey Tyson, nice job, bro. Do one more. One more, you'll be good. You'll be right at 50. You'll be just over 1,500. One more contract. Have I ever been at 5K P&L on Apex accounts? Or where? Anywhere? I've done it on Apex. I've done it on Bullinox. I've done it on Take Profit Trader. I've done it on fucking Trade Day. Well, not Trade Day. I took the money. You know what's cool about all this, Emil? I don't know if you're just like asking just for you're probably just asking just for the sake of asking, but I never needed to be. Mr. Beg Beef. Oh my God, bro. 50%. Well, Emil, what are you talking about, bro? 50% of what? Yeah, Mr. Beg Beef. That's not fun. Apex has micro silver now. I wanted to get more evals, but I don't. I do. I want to. I do want to trade more. I'm just fucking. I'm distracted. Oh fuck me. I'm distracted over here. I wanted to grab more Apex evals. I can't trade this though. I can't fucking trade this. No way. I bet the NQ. I mean, I don't know. I'm not betting shit on the NQ, but I could see the NQ coming lower. We still got the algo candles coming. POC shit. I mean MOC. Got MOC coming up soon. It's so crazy. I still put fucking when I gotta put my address in, I still sometimes forget that I still put like Henderson. It's like a fucking I gotta break the habit. I'm not in Henderson anymore. I'm in Las Vegas, baby. I'm officially in Vegas, baby. Look at this shit go. This is why I say don't short at even 100 numbers with gold. Did anybody try shorting gold at 5,400 on the money? Who's got earnings? You got Alpha. We got what? Microsoft. Who else? Meta. CP Trader. What up, man? 50% consistency on what? I'm trying to keep up with what you're trying to say, Emil. On Take Profit Trader, yeah. On evals. Sal Tribe, what up? I'm trying to, bro. I'm trying to. Coach Fred. Yeah. Tesla, Microsoft, and Meta. Holy fuck. Oh, Jack, boom. It's not just war, it's everything. I just have this feeling they're going to do something about money. They're going to fucking like do some sort of financial reset. A bunch of banks are going to get fucked over this. And I just feel like it's all by design. But I have gold, so I don't care. Keep fucking pumping. But we're all going to die one day. Where's silver at? Where's silver at? Where's silver at? Oh, shit. 117.03. Silver's going to make a new high, too. If it hasn't already in futures. I need to trade 560 and 559 if I can. I just don't know. I don't know what to do here, guys. Look at this candle. 247. This candle is 120 ticks right here. This red candle. Look at this. 119 to 245. 126 ticks in one fucking candle. And then this one looks like a small candle, but really it's how many ticks? 113. It's 70 ticks. That candle. Fucking crazy. You want to see some crazy spreads? That's what she said. I took a screenshot of the spreads on well charts yesterday. It was like insane. Don't mind that. All right, whatever. I'll show you guys this. Second place quick draw competition. The memes with this shit is just fucking ridiculous. Sorry, chat. Hope that doesn't hurt anyone's feelings. If it does, you're probably in the wrong fucking place anyway. Look at the spread on 181 to 210. 30 ticks. 29 tick spread. This was last night or yesterday in well charts. Shit was wild. Like Mr. Rogers. All right, anyway. Are you guys in the Focus Degenerate program yet? JP, here's the link. What up, Marvel? No, Take Profit Trader, you have to get over the buffer. You have to get over the $2,000 buffer on a 50K. I don't know what size you're trading. Every single account, hold on, I'll show you. Every single account on Take Profit Trader has a buffer. I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 9 9s, 10 Mac 10s. Right here. Here are the buffers you need to get over. So if you're on a 25K, anything over the 15, anything over 1,500 you can request. Anything over 2,000, anything over 2,500, depending on the size of the account. Now you can request and take 50% of your balance, but you'll also be ending your account. You'll be closing out the account if you do that, and it will be at a penalty, I think. Anyway, let's see what. Looks like it wants to go higher. Now, I mean, fuck. This is interesting here. I don't know if I'm going to take a trade based on it, but look. Motherfucker, man. Nope, never mind. Never mind. This is why you don't fuck around during all-time highs. I thought maybe we were at like a 786. We might still be kind of, sort of. We wicked over it. I don't know. We're probably going higher. Who am I fucking? Oh, never mind. I don't know. I don't trust this shit. This shit is fucking scary. Look at this 231. That's like 60 ticks right there. LK, what up? CP, nice job. Tick Daddy, nice. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Mr. Begbeef, it's getting fucking wild. What up, Cody? New video dropped in the Discord?
The Focus Trader program has me in a straitjacket. That's a good thing. It keeps me disciplined, focused on the process. No more whys.
What the fuck? Oh, man. Is it saying all that? How many prompts are you giving it to say that? Or did you write that? Shit is fucking funny. Look, see? It just made another high. It just made another high. This is... Anyone trying to fucking short this up here is fucking... God bless you. You're trading the 25K? The buffer's 1,500. Anything over the buffer you can request. You can literally do that every day. Nice job, CP. What's the activation fee for an Apex 50K? $75. Donna. Just 2 to 3 prompts and it said all that? That's crazy. Marcine. Imagine what the government is using on us. How do we know that fucking that paid protester that blew her fingers off trying to pick up a flashbang? How do we know that whole thing wasn't AI? Tony Gold, what up? LK. You have 2 PA accounts at 53,200. What do you want to know? You want to know if you can request? Human. Oh my God, Carmino code. We all know that they're paid protesters. They're all paid protesters over there. Almost all of them. What a fucking convenient time for all that shit to start happening right after all of that fraud was uncovered. Get the fuck out of here. We already know they're paid protesters. 90% of them are. And you calling me a moron. That's a typical response of a fucking out-of-touch lib. Resorting to insults. What are you doing here, bro? First you tell me that Apex is my bread, Apex butters my bread, and now you're calling me a moron. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, CP within like 2 or 3 minutes. You're 8 days in, LK. You're 8 days in, LK, and you don't have any, you're good on consistency, you can request. You should be able to request today. You could, no, you could, well, if you want to close the account, what'll happen is, what up, Frank? Marvel. Oh, now it's fucking dropping. Look at this. It dropped how many ticks? 250. It just dropped 150 ticks. If you're $1,000 over the buffer, you can request $1,000. If you want to close the account, you can request the rest of it, but you'll get half of the other part of it, and then the account's gone forever. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, motherfucker. My bad. I don't know what happened. I said something about paid protesters, and then I got shut down. Anyone with half a brain knows that most of the people there are fucking paid to be there. Anyway, it's all a fucking joke. Just like that guy that attacked fucking Ilhan, that motherfucker was paid also. They literally had the camera on him while he was just standing there, and then all of a sudden that turns out to be the guy. Oh my God. Oh shit, I got filled. Time to pay attention. Keep going up. Oh, fuck. I got a lot on that. What just happened? What did I get on that? $836. It went up another 600. Look, it went up 670 more. Look at all the drawdown I missed out on. Fuck. Marcin, you see, guys? Johan. I'm about to invest in some learning centers. Yeah, MG, that was totally Photoshop. There was a Trade Evade issue earlier today, like around I don't even remember what time. Earlier in the morning. JT. You see, guys? Learning centers are lucrative. You know what the worst part is about all that? Aside from it all being, man, that sucks. I don't have a lot of drawdown. I don't like when that happens, but whatever. I couldn't get out fast enough. It's going to go back up, though. I feel like it's going to go back up. You see, guys, That was a 707 bounce. I'll show you. Done with fucking well charts, though. So I drew my fib from the low to the high. I chose this low. You got to figure out what low you want to draw it from. I chose this low. This is obviously the high, the last high, and this is the low that I went by. And I had my order at the 707, and I got filled, and it fucking popped. And it's going to go back up and fill this wick. I know it, but you know what? I'm good. You see, guys? So this is everything here. That was a nice little pump for that account, though. That account, you know, I could grow these accounts. I could like get another $300, $400 over the next couple of days, and I'll have all of my drawdown. I like having as much drawdown as possible, as close to the max amount as possible. But that shit was fucking crazy. So we're good there. Next. Coach Fred. I just showed it to you, bro. I'll show it again when I draw another one. G-Matt, you see that, bro? Yo, it's too easy. Yeah, I'm gonna start investing in learning centers with all my payouts. What the fucked up thing about that whole thing was that they were doing it. They were making people. They were basically misdiagnosing kids with autism on purpose so they could get aid, so they could get this money. They were using autism. Fucking scumbag pieces of shit. I have a kid on the fucking spectrum. I took that personal. I took that shit fucking personal. These fucking pieces of shit. Calvin. What up, man? Fucking scumbag fucks. Using fucking fake autism diagnoses to take money away from kids who actually need the fucking services. But then again, they must have been getting unlimited money. It's just funny how all that shit's going on. This shit is really hitting the fan over there right after all of this fraud gets uncovered and they start investigating it. What a fucking coincidence. Susu Bear. Mystic, yeah, for real, Mystic Rick. It's fucked up. But it's all fucked. The whole thing is fucked up, but that's really fucked up. That's low. Taking advantage of fucking kids with fucking developmental disabilities. Fuck that. They're going to get what's coming to them. Whether it's by the law or by fucking karma. I know they don't care. That's all right. They're going to care. When karma comes back around for them, they're going to care. For sure. What up, Mike? The ringleader of the fraud? What, the fucking attorney general? There's so many. That's just Minneapolis. The shit goes on everywhere. And it's not just people from, it's not just those people. It's not just Somalis. It's we can't talk about who else does it even worse. We're not allowed to talk about it. What up, Lee? Yeah, they're all in on it. You see the shit about her winery? Yo, all I'm gonna say is I can't say it. We're not, you know who we're not allowed to talk about. But the fraud with them is even worse. I guarantee it. I put money on it. It's not fraud if it was promised thousands of years ago. Finney Lee. Whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I don't even fucking care. None of that shit affect. I can't do anything about it. I can't do anything about it. But for someone to call me a moron because I say that there's paid protesters there, he probably fucking also believes that there weren't any feds draped all over the fucking Capitol on January fucking 6th, right? Fucking dumb fuck. Some clip coins. Bushwhacker. Oh, man. What's NQ doing? I mean, look at gold. He's going for another fucking high. Silver. Oh, there's silver. Oh, my God. Is silver rolling over to a new contract, too? I don't know. I want to trade 5. Oh, I really want to trade. What a bounce. Look at this bounce. What did I say? It was going to fill this? It filled it, all right. I didn't want to get all of this. I didn't need to. This shit is bananas. But it did fill it. I could have just went in long and something else and just got a fuck ton of money. Oh, well. There's one. I do want to pass more Apex evals. We got time. What time is earnings? Oh, shit. Yo, you want to see something crazy? Watch this, chat. Hey, Marvel, I'm drawing a fib. Look, on Trade Evade. On Trade Evade, you click Drawing Tools, Fibonacci Retracement, and then you pick your high and your low. On Trade Evade, it's the opposite of how you draw it on TradingView. So if I want to look for a fib for a rejection, I want to draw the fib out for a rejection. I go from the low to the high. I pick this. This is a clear last low. This is the last high. Look where it rejected. Not only did it reject off the VWAP, this is on the NQ, by the way. It also rejected off the 707. The 707 right here. That shit just went down 180 fucking points. 170 points. There's how you do it. And if you want to draw for a bounce, you do the opposite. You go from the high to the low on Trade Evade. On TradingView, on Wealth Charts, on fucking Project ShitX, you go the other way. It's reverse. If you need to add the 707, you got to go in your settings and change it in here. And then save as default. Hit apply, save, check this off, save as default. So it draws it every time with the 707. You got to add it in here. It's not in the 707 is not in there by default, but you're going to want the 707. Did earnings drop? Did earnings happen? What did I miss? Microsoft reported. Jonathan Tremel, what up? AS, what's good? I mean, I was trading. I don't fuck with this shit. I was trading. I was waiting for an opportunity with gold. But gold decided to keep going up higher. So I got to wait. And I need to get 2 more. I need to fucking reset 2 more. I just took a trade and got $836 on a PA. I just got 836 on this one. I want to trade this other PA right here. I want to trade these, but I might just leave these alone. Yeah. 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 What number do I have now? 69. 04. What's NQ doing? 93. The shit just bounced. Jesus. The shit dropped 200 from that 707. It dropped 295 bucks, 295 points. And then so far it's bounced 67. Nothing to see here, chat. I'm glad I didn't trade that shit. I probably would have found a way to fuck it up. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna draw a fib. I'm gonna draw a fib for another rejection. Actually, I could just do this. Fuck. I could just do this. There's the low. Here's the high. Try not to fuck these up, too. There's my group name. I already missed the opportunity. Here's a 618. 707's coming. I need 9 points. How hard can it be to get 9 fucking points? I'll trade the fucking piece of shit NQ with these. What's the worst that could happen? I just blow more fucking evals? Let's see if it holds here. Let's see if it holds at this level. I got a piece so fucking bad. I'm being conservative. I want the 707 rejection, but I have my fucking, the only thing I'm worried about is that this fucking earnings. So I could get filled here. It could just fucking pop on the next fucking earnings that gets reported. What else is coming? Microsoft down 7%. Matt. Yeah, I've been.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck. See what I'm saying? These are gone. The 786 might have been the better spot, but these are going to be gone. Probably. 32. Yep. I'm counting these out. 21. Well, 23 is what I need. Yeah, these are, look. The 786 might have been, I'm fucked. Peace out. Nice knowing you. Maybe this holds for me. I don't know. Awful fucking time to be doing this. At least it's not a funded account. This is why I hate the fucking NQ. I hate this piece of shit. That's why I don't touch my funded accounts with it. These are probably going to blow. I'm going to have to get new ones again. All I had to do was go. Should have just went long. How hard can it be? That's the more appropriate spot. We'll see. I doubt it. These are probably gone. I don't even care. Next. Wow, I'm getting so lucky here. I mean, the 786 is holding. But that might even be the more appropriate spot. The more appropriate spot could be up here. Like right here. If I would have drawn it there, I would have had it already. If I got filled here at the 707, 47, I would have had it. I think. What a fucking waste. Literally, what a waste of $225. Again, I fucking hate the NQ. What's gold doing? Just going higher and higher and higher. This is on GCG. Fuck that. Just blow the fucking accounts already.
Order filled.
Of course, this is the spot. I fucking hate the NQ. Despise it. I traded the NQ twice today, and I lost twice today. You happy? You guys happy now? I don't know whose earnings. I don't know whose earnings dropped. I don't even fucking care. I just wasted $225. What a fucking waste. Oh, I can't trade these. I just wanted 9 points. I got negative 20 points. I'll try one more time with trade day today, and then I'm fucking done. I hate the NQ. That's exactly why I hate the fucking NQ. Perfect example. This is why I don't trade the NQ with my funded accounts. Also why I've done over $100,000 in payouts since fucking October 16th. Because I stopped fucking wasting my time on the NQ. Go figure. Would I have done that with the NQ? I doubt it. EHAB. P shenanigan. Not financial advice. Listen, you guys could trade whatever you want. I just know for me personally, the NQ is a piece of shit. So I don't fucking trade it. But gold is pretty much untradeable right up here. Where's silver at? What is all this shit? Get rid of this. What a fucking waste. Lisa, what's up? Trader J. You feel like GC is as volatile? Yeah. I just know how to trade it better. So gold NQ has given me nothing but pain. So why the fuck would I keep trading it? Meanwhile, I'm trading the best I've ever traded in my life, and I'm trading gold and fibs. That's it. What's up, Blues? And right now, gold, of course, gold is super volatile right now. It keeps making new all-time highs every day or every other day at this point. What up, Zach? Blues hasn't blown a single account since she stopped trading the NQ. It's not just me. Raw. What does gold do better than the NQ? Well, I don't know. Watch it and see for yourself. I trade it better. That's what it does better. It works better for me. The fibs play out a lot more during the day. I don't know. The fibs play out in the NQ too. I hate the fucking NQ. I am also over 40 grand in payouts this month. Trading gold only. And 34,000 last month. Trading gold only. Anytime I trade the NQ, first of all, I do it with an eval. You have to watch gold for yourself. Right now, it's tough. All gold keeps doing is going up higher and higher and higher. This is gold on the daily chart. This is the problem right now with gold. It makes it much harder to trade. We just keep making new all-time highs. Ice Cube, yeah, C Cube had his biggest month ever. It was a six-figure month, by the way, trading gold. Only gold. You don't have to take my word for it. Trade whatever works best for you. But if you're struggling trading the NQ, maybe try a different fucking instrument. But it might not always, it's not always the instrument. It's also you. Mostly it's you. Whoever, if anyone's struggling. But I just found that I trade gold better. I see gold better. I trade it better. So I fucking stay with what works. You got a lot of people bouncing around. They see silver's pumping, so they move to silver. And they trade the NQ when the NQ's moving, and they'll wait for silver. Like, just focus on one fucking thing. Bruce Lee said it best. He said, I fear not the man who practices 10,000 kicks one time, but I fear the man who practices one kick 10,000 times. My one kick is gold on the fibs. That's it. Yeah. Some people could, like Alfred, but you're seasoned, bro. You could trade multiple instruments. Most people shouldn't be trading more than one instrument. It's like let me, like, with baseball. There's like, it's guys that play in my men's league, and they switch hit, they hit lefty and righty, and they suck hitting both. Why don't you get good at hitting on one side? It's like me. I'm a pretty good hitter righty, but then I try to hit lefty because I can swing the bat okay lefty. So I'm going to switch hit because I can swing it okay. Why don't I just focus on what I hit better with? Coach Fred trades with Dakota trades. No skills, way over your head. Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. Eddie. Yeah. Twan on. I'm just saying, if you're still struggling to get payouts, or you're still trying to find your way with this shit, stop bouncing around from instrument to instrument. Get good at one. Stop trying out 30 different strategies every fucking day. Get good at one strategy. That's all you need. That's all you fucking need. Look at the NQ. Oh my God. So basically that drop from Microsoft just got undone. Like what never happened. Completely undone. And it's higher. Yeah, I've seen YM. Who wins, Bruce Lee or Elon Musk in a fight? What are my thoughts on trading crude oil? I never really liked crude. That just came today?
Yeah, it was just on Friday. It was $80.
Oh, that's
Not
great.
funny.
Nice $80.
It was like $40 shipping. It's not funny.
Nice $80 plastic light.
You like it?
As long as you like it. Is that a clock?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Just close your eyes. It's their thing.
Oh, okay. Very cool. Trader J. I don't fuck with crude. I don't know. I don't like crude. I traded a little bit when I first started trading prop firms, trading futures. There's no right or wrong instrument to trade. Gold is my shit, so I trade gold. Clearly, it's working for me. You can't, like, you know what I mean? But it doesn't mean it'll work for you guys. You guys got to figure out what works for you, but stop bouncing around if you're still trying to figure shit out. Find one, pick one, and get good at it. Learn how it moves. Figure out what strategies work the best with it, or whatever you can see, and just focus on that shit and get better at that. Master whatever you can see. Can't believe I fucking blew those Lucid accounts. That fucking pissed me off. I mean, this is crazy. These are crazy candles. I probably shouldn't have shorted during fucking earnings, but whatever. I don't care. We'll try again. We'll just keep pushing forward. That's all I could do. Don't miss in Discord what Dakota's saying about me. I missed it. Oh, here it is.
I just called MP and told him we need to put Jay on the Focus Trader program. He cannot be a degenerate anymore.
Oh, my God. AI is fucking scary. AI is scary as shit. Yeah, that's AI. Of course it's AI. It doesn't sound like him, but it looked just like him. I'll mix with Dakota and Andre. Andre would never want to put me in the Focus Trader program. Although, I don't know, Andre's probably not allowed to like me anymore. He might not be allowed to like me anymore. Why would I ask Dan Emmons to teach me the NQ? I mean, shit. I was at just under $100,000 in payouts last year trading the NQ. I don't want to learn how to trade the NQ. Are you asking me? You're telling everybody else. I don't give a fuck about the NQ. You want the Discord link? Here it is. It's free for now. What up, Eben R? Dan is really good at trading the NQ. But he sees it a certain way. He trades the harmonics. I don't see the harmonics. I see the fibs. I trade the fibs. Hold on a sec. Just making sure I was still logged into my account. Look, I see gold really well with the fibs. I see gold very well with the fibs. It's a lot of fucking payouts. This is when I fucking fell into a very deep hole mentally, and I got out of it in October. Look at all these payouts just with Apex since November 21st, all trading fucking gold. Why would I trade anything else? Why would I trade anything else? Look at that. And I'm about to request another payout. I'm about to request a payout on this account right here, 554. And tomorrow I'm going to request another payout on 538. I am not the only one getting paid on gold. Did you just not see Cube say he had his best month ever trading only gold last month? He did over 6 figures. He just got a fucking $55,000 payout from Apex. Yesterday he got approved. Trading gold. Plenty of people are doing fine trading gold. I'm not saying you should be. I'm not saying you should trade gold. I'm just saying gold is fucking great. Jamal, yeah, I know about the Russell. Top Frag, what's good? I mean, that's Apex. I mean, I get fucking payouts from all the firms I trade with for the most part, most of the time. Watch. Here's Lucid. Just this month alone, I got like $9,000 from Lucid. Something almost $9,000 from Lucid. I only started trading with them in October. Oh, you got it, Tyler. You got until 4:59, bro. Look at this shit. Now look. I bet it rejects off of here or here. I had the high in the wrong spot. Oh, look what's happening. Options exchange. It's end of day drawdown. What up, Cube? Yeah, blues. Yeah, just trade what works for you. Oh, Cube H is fucking great. I literally try to get all of my funded accounts traded during Asia. If I could, I try during the overnight. What up, Nate? Yeah. Exactly, bro. There's so many different symbols you could trade. You could even trade crypto. You could trade Bitcoin. You could trade fucking Ethereum. You could trade Solana, I think. I think you could trade XRP too. I don't know why anybody would, but you can. Does it become static after a certain amount? I have no idea. I really don't know. You should hit up support and ask them because I don't know. Lean hogs. I don't know. Yeah, this shit dropped enough. 42. This shit dropped enough. I mean, that would have been enough for me on trade day. Is this gonna hold here, or are we just gonna keep going up? Crazy. Fucking crazy. And then there's more highs. Like, that's the thing about the fibs. You got to expand them. Here's the next high right up here. But I want to trade gold if I can. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Is there a way to remove blown evals from Apex? What, in the dashboard, Evan? Yeah. I was talking about this the other day. Leo, what up? Sean, is trading lean hogs halal? Leo, I don't know. I wouldn't short gold right now. So look, I showed someone else how to do this the other day. Step by step, how to cancel Apex subscriptions. Step 1, on the dashboard page, click account history. Okay? This is how to cancel Apex subscriptions. Step 2, click find in billing. Or hit reset, obviously, but we don't want to do reset. We don't want to pay $65 for resets now when every fucking account is half the price at least. But click find in billing, and then you'll be able to hit cancel from there. Do I have that? Oh, here we go. Step 3, click cancel. That's how you get rid of Apex subscriptions. Just run down the line, because right now this is what they're going to renew at, $98 or whatever it is, $99. If you don't pass and you forget to cancel your subscription. TP, yeah, I'm green everywhere. The only place I'm not green overall is believe it or not, Top Step, because I fucking went on some binge right after I got the you're gonna be putting our Focus Trader program email, and I was green with them, and I am no longer green with them. I am green with Apex as of a couple of weeks ago. I did the spreadsheet here. This was from January 14th. 109,772 in payouts and 108,778. Now, I just got paid another what did I get? 1,966 times 6. I just got paid another $11,796. I can tell you one thing: I did not spend $11,976 on accounts in the last 2 weeks. Probably spent like another $800 to $1,000, if that. I don't even think that much. Hey, let's look. Let's take a little fucking peek. Let's look. I'm gonna have to hide my screen. I'll grab the number though. Hold on. I gotta go to payment history. Not this page, but this might actually work. I don't like this one because it only shows. Oh, actually, that might be enough. When was the last one I got? Hold on. January 15th. EHMJM. All right, here we go. Sum. N1 to N35. All right, so add $1,215 to my total. So we got 108,778 plus 108 778 20 plus 12 15 40. So my total spend is 109,993. Here are my total payouts: 109,772. And hold on, I'll just add the fucking payouts. $19,66 times 6. 11,796. It's a fucking calculator. You fuck. $11,796 plus 109,772. 121,568 minus I am net 11,574. Net positive. Ask your favorite fucking guru or fucking influencer to do this fucking little exercise too. Let's see if they'll do it. Ask PW to do it. Ask anybody. Especially the ones who don't show their fucking account numbers. Any fucking hater who said, oh, but you're still net negative with Apex. Put this in your fucking pipe and smoke it. Anyway. How many people are going to show you that shit? Not many. I wouldn't reset any blown accounts right now, though. Yeah, I wouldn't. Right now, in terms of resets with Apex, they're $65. You could get brand new accounts. You could get brand new accounts for $19. Anywhere from $19.70 to $39.70. Resets are $65. Cancel those blown evals. Jay Stores, fuck them is right. I love rubbing it into them. I love rubbing it in to their fucking faces. Thank you, Rosales. Mike, hell yeah. If you went over it once and it was quick, they might let you slide, but they might not. I've seen people, it depends. I've seen a bunch of people say that they did it. They violated the shit out of that rule one time. They got caught in a bad fucking trade, but they got out of it and were able to request and they got approved. It really all depends. If you get denied, just get $50 for 5 days and then flip the other 3 and re-request. Jamal, yeah, I know. And if they're not, then what, just like with the numbers, show your account number. No one's going to, who cares if you're up to account number 3,783? No one gives a shit. Yeah, Cube, yep. Techniques. Yeah, it really all depends. Jamco, my bad. Jamco, my bad, bro. Roberto. There's no way for me to tell, bro. There's no way for me to tell. But I'll get you back. Send me your whatever, your Zelle, your Cash App or PayPal. What's NQ doing? This shit just keeps going. So I just expand the fib. That's what I do. I mean, I don't know. More experienced and more seasoned fib traders will say, that's not the right way, or I don't even know what they would say. Not that I care either. But that's how I do it. If it blows through the golden shower pocket, it blows out of it, you just expand it to the next high or the next low. Yeah, Roberto, send me a DM on Discord. If you're not, I think you're in there. What up, Al? Thank you. Just give it a second. Log out of your TradeEvade and log back in. Is this your first time using TradeEvade with them? You got to sign like all the agreements and shit, I think. The golden shower pocket. I'm so fucking pissed about these trade day accounts. Thanks, fucking NQ. So glad I traded the NQ. I can't fucking trade. I can't. All of a sudden, I don't know how to trade when I'm trading trade day accounts. I'm also pretty fucking positive as fuck with them too, but I definitely cut into that recently. We're just cucking around here. What accounts did I blow in here? 69, 04, and 62. I need more fucking coffee. I really wanted to get some new Lucid accounts, but you know, it might be better that I didn't, just based on how this fucking shit has been, where this shit's at. Look at this. Look at this bounce. Shit bounced almost 300 fucking points. Crazy. Maybe the high a day is the spot. Maybe the high a day is the high that we got to go off of. That makes the most sense. Look, high a day. It still could go up. I don't know. I mean, good. God bless anyone trading the NQ. Good for you guys. I love that for you. 69, 4, 62. God bless. Every time I trade it lately, I get fucked, so I just don't fuck with it. Why would I trade something that I don't trade that well anymore? Why wouldn't I just trade something that's fucking great for me? Jay Stores. Nice job, bro. No, they don't have to approve anything. You just gotta, I don't know. I never had that issue. They don't approve anything just before you trade. But if you're logging into Apex's instance of Tradeovate for the first time, it's going to prompt you to do all that agreement shit, sign all the disclosures on the Tradeovate side. You won't be able to trade until you do that. Carlos, today or just, that's not your overall trade pass rate. You know that shit always fucking, yeah, Al, that's the thing. You might have to sign all those agreements. I don't know. It should work though. A lot of people that get accounts for the first time have those issues like in Tradeovate where like the data is not available. Oh, that's just today, bro. You know it's going to balance out, Carlos. What's your overall, what's your pass rate been for the last, 3 months? That's what you're, whatever you do moving forward it's going to balance it out. Yeah, see, this makes the most sense. Here's the high a day. 707. I mean, it could go higher, but I really want to trade 559 though. I'll be right back. Actually, we're going to go for a walk. Yeah, that's just today, bro. You know it's going to balance out. So what'd you pass? 4? 5? Oh. I'll be right back. I'm going to pee real quick, and then I'm going to get more coffee, and we'll go back upstairs. Hang out. Right, chat? Thanks, chat. What's the NQ doing? Everything's cucking around right now. I really want to trade this account. 559. $559 is 2 days in. 560 is 2 days in. Well, 560 is on day 3 now. I got a third day in. Grew it by another $800. These 4 that I'm copy trading are on day 5 now. 538 is on day 7 since getting denied. 521 to 525 is on day 1, my first day traded. 520 to 525. And I got $12.92. So I would like to get more, but I don't know. I ain't fucking with them. I'm just glad I got back to, over break even. Now I gotta fucking rebuild. I gotta build back better with Lucid. I gotta build back better with Trade Day, and I gotta build back better with Take Profit Trader. I want max funded accounts in all 3 of those firms. So that would be what, 13 funded accounts with all of those. That's what I want. That's what my goal is for fucking February. Obviously, if I could get to 20 fucking Apex PAs, that'd be cool too. But and then figure out how to trade with fucking Bullinox now that I can't trade on fucking Project Shitx. Do you know what this looks like? This looks like it's flagging just to go even higher. It's fucking crazy. Why don't I just move NQ the fuck out of here? That's a good idea. Fuck. Why is that even in the first spot? Where's Silver Spot at? 117.55. Amazing. Just missed hitting the all-time high. Let me look. Trading View. Trading View. There we go. SI. That looks awfully close. Did it go higher? Oh, it just missed it. It just fucking missed it. Look at that. Oh, damn. You see, guys? Silver's crazy. That's fucking hot. Clinvale, what up? We are not green everywhere, but we're green where it matters. We are green where it matters. You're a better trader than me? Great. That's great. I'm not trying to be better than anyone. I don't give a fuck how anybody else trades. What a weird thing to come on and say. But you're more than welcome to join the Discord and show us how great you are. Show us. Let's see how good you are. I want to see. Yeah, like I give a fuck if you know who else is better than me? Probably half the people watching. I don't fucking care. What a dumb fuck thing to say. Anyway. Yeah, join. Hey, show us. It's free to join. Joe, what up? They do tell you. Apex tells you it goes static. When does it go static? It goes to static. The drawdown trails your highest end of day balance until you reach 52,100. All right. So it's like a pro account. So it still has a hidden buffer or a hidden safety net. Yeah, lots of people are better at trading than me. But I'm trading the best I've ever traded, and that's all I give a fuck about. Lots of people who are better traders than me have never had a 40K payout month. Like it matters. It doesn't matter. I'm not competing against anybody. I'm having enough time. I'm having a much, it's hard enough fucking competing against myself. Yeah, let's see your broker statement. Joe, thank you, man. Yeah, Cube. Yeah, I think they were just saying that just to be a troll. I don't know. Why would anybody just come on and say that? That's their only thing they say. Cool. Good for you. But if you're gonna let's say you put your money where your mouth is. If you're gonna say it, it's just stupid. Gold's pumping. What did I say? What did I fucking say? It looked like it was flagging, and it was gonna make new highs. I literally just said that like 3 minutes ago. I show my broker statements. You want to see something else? I've been in this trade with a bot in Solana. So it's grid trades with a bot. It's already locked in $103 in profit. Right now it's down. Right now whatever position it's in, it's down $56. So I'm up an overall $47. It's kind of weird though. Where's the price at? Oh, because Sol's down a little bit. But I'm still in the trade. I probably would have, if I was trading with regular leverage, or just a regular leverage trade, I would have gotten liquidated. But I'm still in this trade. And I'm just going to let it just do its thing. I was looking at Ponky. You guys know Ponky, right? It's that funny fucking, that fucking YouTube channel. They put out, the funny videos and shit. I was watching it here. I was like, oh, my God, it's at the 786 from this high. And I didn't pull the trigger to get in. I was thinking about getting in, and look what it did. It went up. It went up like 40% on that pop. It probably was going to go higher. I just don't want to chase it now. Anyway. Yup, bacon. Yeah, that shit is fucking hilarious. Let's see if that fuckboy even joined. They're not. They're just fucking jerk-offs. They're fucking around. Nope, they didn't join. Obviously. Obviously, they weren't going to join. Oh, shit. Tactical finally joined the Discord. I don't think he's here anymore. What the fuck is going on with gold? Silver's going. I bet silver's going for it too. No, not yet. It just fucking popped. The market's closing in 6 minutes, and in the last 5 minutes, it popped almost 300 ticks. This shit is fucking insane. Oh my God. You guys watching this shit? The range on gold today, 54.45, 252 points, 2,552 ticks. No, 2,520 ticks. I guess I'm not going to get the trade. You know what? I'm going to get a flip day in. I'm going to get a flip day in on this fucking account. That's all I could do. I want to at least get a flip day in. Did I trade all my other accounts in here? All of these accounts are traded. All of my PAs are traded in here except for this one. Is it just going to keep going up? I got time. No way. Psych. Hello. Oh, how can I help you? Silver's making new all-time highs soon. Again. It just missed it here. 10 ounces. It's worth what? What is this worth now? Just based on the spot. $1,160 right here. This 10-ounce brick of silver. I think I paid like $280 to $300 for this a few years ago. Rabbi. Yeah. Leo, I hope you got out of that short, bro. Forex Elite, what's good? You said weeks ago you're shorting silver at 120. Good luck. You might get it. Kevin Tobias, what up, man? Yeah, it's fucking crazy. CP, I did one yesterday. I gave away like 10 accounts. I just did one. Although if you're in the Discord, I got access. Someone gave me access to a couple of accounts on a prop firm that I don't actively trade with. and I'm not sure if I will anytime soon. But they did give me a couple. It's a friend of mine, and they did give me a couple of accounts to give away, but I'll do it in the Discord only. Dakota was shorting again. Good. Not that I want him to fail. I just want him to show his account balances. He thinks he's fucking God's gift to trading. No, not Brett, my friend. Not Brett. We're not friends. We ain't buddies, we ain't partners, and we damn sure ain't friends. Bacon. I hear you. Yo, stock cars and bets, of course, bro. Of course. CP. Oh, bro, that's you had 43 and 40. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. I wonder what happened to his partner. Kevin, he's in the fucking witness protection program. It wasn't just him. It was this other guy, Scrub Genix, that they added to that. They added to the fucking boiler room towards the end. They're all Gastony. Keep jabbing, iTrade. Keep jabbing. No, not the Carbonite, the prop pit. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yup. Scott would like me to be friends with him and his wife because he's a cuck. Yo, Eddie, who the fuck knows? I was in that shit. The only reason, listen, I learned about the fibs originally from Brett years ago. Thank God. I learned about the 707 from Brett. The one thing I got out of that whole thing, I'd say it was worth whatever money I paid to be in there. Bacon. Yeah, I know, Bacon. I know. I know. You know, I know. The market's closed. I forgot to get my flip day in. Fuck. I was in there when they had another dude. Well, before they added this guy, Scrub Genix, who I learned about the 200 and the 300 moving average from. I saw the value in it, even though I don't look at them anymore. Investors, what up? They added that dude Scrub Genix. P, were you there when that happened? He was good. He was posting videos every day anyway. He had a channel. And all of a sudden, he went completely silent. Kevin disappeared. It's almost like they got fucking pinched. And Brett fucking snitched on Brett fucking handed them over for his own immunity. That must have been after. I don't know. What up, Pawn? Yeah. See, Pawn has some insider information on that shit. Yeah, Eddie, they were fucking killing it for sure. But then Brett would fucking be like, yo, I traded NQ futures today. Look how good I did. And he would show a fucking prop firm account. And he got called out on it a bunch of times. Oh, my God. I bet Kevin was doing the same shit. Funny shit. By the way, if you were not aware, Lucid is 40% off. 40% off any type of eval, any size, with the best code 0DayJ. If you've never had an account with them before, you'll get extra off, like an extra 5 or 10%. I don't know the exact number now. Take Profit Trade is 40% off with no activation fee. Trade Day is 40% off with no activation fee. First time Trade Day users will get they'll get 50% off their first account. Apex is 90% off. Bullinox is 89% off. Option 1. I think My Fund the Futures has some new flex plan. Everybody's calling their plans flex now, and it's 20% off with my code 0DayJ if you need to grab any accounts. Use the best fucking code. I'm going to bounce. I'm kind of annoyed with how I traded, but for the stream, although I did grow, where is it? I did grow this account by $836 on that 707 bounce. I mean, bro, that 707 bounce went up fucking 400 something ticks. I think I got in right here. Crazy. And I'm going to hang out. I got to request a payout. Don't leave yet. If you want to watch me request another payout with Apex, stick around. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to. I don't know if Well Charts updates as fast. I might not be able to. I'll hang out for like another 10 minutes, maybe 15. The old man. I just saw the old man looking around like he probably has to go take a shit. The old man dog. Yeah, I noticed that Well Charts updates later than Tradeovate, so I might not be able to request on the stream. Bacon, yeah, it feels that way. What up, Desmond? All good, bro. All good. Yeah, we're doing payouts. If I can. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to before I get off. I know Well Charts updates later. So we'll see. We'll have a payout refresh party at the very least. A payout request page refresh party. Oh, you posted another? Joe, JP, I don't see this shit. I don't see it unless I'm in there. Because I have the main I have the Discord. I have it muted so I don't hear it. This thing goes off all day. This thing goes off. Look, 98 new messages in the last hour. It just shit goes off all fucking day and night. I can't have it making the noise. Let's see here. Let's see. You posted another one?
Jay, I don't share my balance because I am a fucking moron.
And the smile at the end, the shit-eating grin at the end is fucking hilarious, bro. Oh, my God.
Jay, I don't share my balance because I am a fucking moron.
that shit-eating grin at the end. Oh, man. Yo, you know what's funny? Yo, even last night, so I'm not going to say who was pressing them, but someone was on the stream, someone from the DCA gang in the DGen fam who hangs out in the DGen treehouse was pressing, I think Jay was streaming. I don't know. Someone was streaming on Top Step TV, and they were just saying, hey, show your balance. And they just would not fucking show it. And then they deflected saying like, oh, well, because you said it like that, I'm definitely not going to show it. They were never going to show it because they don't show it. It tells you everything you need to know about that shit. Let me go see what this guy's doing. Nah, he's good. He found my wife. Refresh. Yeah, I don't know. I might not be able to request this for a little while. But we'll hang out for a little while longer just to see. Yeah, JP. Let's see. Yeah, and then so I'm requesting this one. It's this account right here. Whenever I can, 554. And then tomorrow I'm gonna request this one, 538, a max payout. And I think that's gonna cap me out for the month. The month of that's gonna be, and I still got to get approved, right? If I get approved, honestly, I would love to get approved next month on these, but they're probably gonna approve me the next day. At least the one I'm requesting today will probably get approved before the month is over. I wouldn't mind getting a little bit of a head start going into the next month. Desmond, you're gonna see this in 5 minutes, bro. Keeps the repo away, yeah. I want to do it now, though, if I can. I'm glad I got all of these traded. I'm just annoyed about this one. And then I'm going to be at 17 funded accounts again. I have 14. The other thing I'm happy about is that I'm getting more in Trade Evade. I would rather, if I could do it, obviously it is what it is. It just worked out that way. I would rather have as many fucking funded Apex accounts as I could get in Trade Evade over well charts. Motion Capital, what up? Universe hates me. Yo. Where's this fucking page? But all of my accounts are looking pretty good for the most part. This one's like a brand new account. I think I lost money on the first day of this one, then I got that back and then some. These need 7 more days to get their 4th payout. This one, I'm about to request tomorrow. I'm in max payout land. And then these will be brand new. And then this. What's up, bro? This one is on, what day is this one on? Day 4, I think. Oh, no, it's on day 3. But that was a nice little pop I got for it. Got $830 for it. This one is still going to be stuck on day 2. This one's on day 3. 555, 6, 7, and 8 are on day 5 now. But they're like look at them. Like their balances are low. Where are they? They're only at $1,200. So I have a feeling these are going to be these I'm going to just get over the buffer and request if I get that far. If I could get these to a payout, it'll be like the bare minimum, basically, maybe a little more. And then, but on the next payout, I'll be able to push those to a potential, max payout. So I'm okay with that. It all adds up. Look, I'll be happy to take that shit. Watch, I'll show you. I don't care anymore. I do not care anymore. That's what these were. I blew them, but that's besides the point. 500. That was $2,800. 2,820. That contributed to my 40K month. I'm not complaining. Look, these 853. I don't care. This pushed me over 30 grand. You know what I mean? No problem for December. No problem for me. Sign me up. I'm just taking whatever I could get now. Look, 750, 730, 707. Whatever. Now I got my work cut out for Lucid, Trade Day, and Take Profit Trader. How much am I going to close out with this month? It depends on if I get approved on these last 2 I request. But if I do, I'm requesting 1209 today. No, what am I? 1109 today. 1109, right? 1109, and then tomorrow I'm requesting 2000. So I'll be at 44,665 if I get approved on these before the end of the month. If I get approved on these, if I get approved, right? I'm pretty sure I will. I have no reason to think I won't, but if I do get approved on these and it doesn't happen until the beginning of February, fine by me. That means I'll have a $3,100 head start going into February. So either way, I'm good as long as I get approved. TJP, what up? F4, I'm only trading gold on funded accounts. Once in a while, I'll trade the NQ on evals, and I always regret it. Yeah, just ain't right. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see if I could get that 4th payout. We'll see. I gotta, bacon. I know. They won't die, and that's fine. Let them fucking... I would love to get payouts from all of these and keep it going. I just don't fucking like trading on well charts. Even today, I was having issues just because of just how it works compared to other firms, and it was just pissing me the fuck off. But that's fine. This one's getting a payout. Let's refresh. Yeah, it's not ready. I'll wait till I'll wait till a little after. I'll wait till 221, 521, and then we'll see. Holy Earth, what up? Oh, you blew your account during that outage? That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. That sucks. What was I doing? Oh, I was still in bed, and I woke up, and people were talking about the Trade of 8 outage. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go pick my car up. So I got my car from the shop. Finally, I haven't had my car for 3 weeks. Pro account with 0 losing days. That's fucked up. I hope they do the right thing. Hold on a sec. Sorry, Chad. I'm looking in the Discord. Never a dull moment in there. I just got someone's hitting me up in DM saying they're trying to like get me to push something. They have a product that serves the prop firm space, and they said a couple of friends told me to reach out to you. So I just said, who are your friends? Who? It actually looks like a pretty cool thing, but I don't know. Don't really care. Come on, baby. I don't know. Let's see if the dashboard updated on the other accounts. I know well charts updates later. No, nothing's updated yet. Another minute or two, and then I'm going to bounce. What does this guy want? What's up, bro? Refresh. Refresh. Yeah, I might not be able to request for a little while. I don't know. I'll give it another minute, and then I'll call it a day. I got someone coming to my house, too. Drew Master, bro, take it easy, man. I didn't see your fucking message. Why are you spamming the chat saying, answer me? What's your fucking problem, bro? Holy shit. Did I get the email that my payment was sent yet? I don't know. I haven't even looked. Not yet. Not yet. I don't have to wait until 6:15 to request. Maybe on well charts, but I've requested plenty of times on Tradeovate right around this time. Bro. Eddie. Coach Fred, yup. Got to stay on those fibs. Yo, Tactical, bro. Thank you, man. Yo, I saw you join the Discord. I hope you stick around in there. I know it'll help you. Oh, no. Tori's not coming. Tori's tan lines aren't coming. Rips isn't coming. Someone, a friend of mine from baseball. Yeah, man. Just hang out in there, bro, and like, don't be afraid to ask questions and just. There's some really, really good traders in there. Really, really, really good traders in there. One more time. Yeah, it's not happening. Is this guy going to throw up on me? I swear to God, he better not throw up in here. Big tick. No, we're not doing any baseball activities. Who's tossing, who's catching? He's actually a catcher and a pitcher. Yeah, it ain't happening with Welch. I guess, yeah. Drew Master or Drum Master, my bad. Drum Master. Yeah, you might be right about Welch charts. I think I got one payout from Welch. Let me see. Does it say? It doesn't say. I think one of the payouts I got was from Welch charts. This might be the second ever payout I got from a Welch charts account. So I don't remember. I just know that Tradeovate, a lot of times it's before 5:30, but not Welch charts apparently. See, like if I go to the charts now, I have a feeling they updated. Sometimes they're delayed though. Especially today might be one of those days where it's delayed because of what's going on with the outage that happened. So they might have to really go through all the data, comb the data, and see they got to fix. Yeah, bro. They if you get approved, I didn't get mine yet. If you get approved, you're gonna get paid. You know what I'm saying? If you get approved, you're gonna get paid. It's just you're gonna get your money 3 to 7 business days from when they send the email out. I didn't get my email yet. I'm not worried about that. Once they approve me, I know I'm going to get my money. All right, party's over. I'll have to request in a little while. Yeah, Drum Master. Yeah, you too, bro. Yeah, all these. Yeah, they got to go through all that data. All right, guys, I'm gonna bounce. One more refresh for the road. Yup, it ain't happening. All right, I'm gonna bounce. I might stream later on tonight. I'll try to, and I'll definitely be on for Power Hour tomorrow. All right. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out. All that good shit. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Smash that like button for Trevor LeConte, more importantly. All right? I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.